In a world where millions still live in darkness, a small step can create a big impact. We at kWatt Solutions, in collaboration with the passionate employees of CAbot India, proudly assembled 100 solar lamps, destined to light up homes in rural India. This initiative is more than just assembling lamps. It's about empowering children to study after sunset, helping families live safer lives, and bringing a ray of hope where it's needed the most. Every lamp carries the spirit of compassion, teamwork, and sustainable change. Are you ready to make a difference? If you're looking to truly utilize your CSR funds and create life-changing impact, get in touch with us today. Together, let's light up more lives.